Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake a chocolate sponge cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Add some vanilla extract to a bowl of butter, oil and sugar and whisk this together until it's light in color and thick like this. Then start adding in your eggs one at a time and whisk well between each egg added. Repeat the process until all the eggs are used up. Add cocoa powder and flour to a bowl and fold it in with a spatula until it's smooth like this. Divide the mixture between two prepared cake tins. Bake in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until they're firm to the touch. Leave to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes and then use a spatula to loosen the edges if necessary. Flip the cakes onto a cooling rack and leave them to cool completely. While the cake is cooling, make your icing. To learn how to make this icing, click on the link above. Put this icing in a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle. When the cakes have cooled completely, put one on a serving plate and then pipe some icing all around the edges and then all the way to the middle. Get the second cake and put it on top of that one. I'm going to sieve some icing on top of the cake. And that's it. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's nice, baked through and very fluffy and it tastes delicious. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.